Hello and welcome to our channel where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks to improve your personal finance, investing, and business. In today's video, we're going to dive into a topic that's perfect for beginners who want to earn money online using Canva on Fiverr. That's right, we'll be discussing how you can leverage your design skills to generate income in the world of freelancing. So, if you're ready to learn how to earn money with Canva on Fiverr, then keep watching. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos about how to make money online. Before we jump into the details, let's quickly talk about Canva and Fiverr for those who may not be familiar with them. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows anyone to create stunning visuals, presentations, and more without any design experience. It's a powerful tool that simplifies the design process and gives you professional-looking results. On the other hand, Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers offer a wide range of services to clients around the world. It's a platform that connects talented individuals with businesses or individuals in need of their expertise. Now that we have a basic understanding, let's explore how we can utilize these platforms to make money online. After this video, check out the links in the description box to start with Canva on Fiverr. Step 1. Identify your skills and niche. Now, before we get started, let me emphasize the importance of this step. When it comes to freelancing and standing out in a crowded marketplace, finding your niche is key. It's like having a secret sauce that sets you apart from the competition and makes clients say, "This is the person I need." So, grab a pen and paper, or open up a document on your computer, and let's begin. Take a moment to reflect on your skills and passions. What aspects of design do you excel in? Are you a whiz at creating eye-catching logos, or do you have a knack for crafting stunning social media graphics? Perhaps you're a presentation guru who can transform dull slides into engaging visual stories. As you jot down your skills, think about what you genuinely enjoy doing. Remember, you'll be spending a significant amount of time on these projects, so it's essential to choose something that excites you. When you love what you do, it shines through in your work, attracting clients who appreciate your passion and dedication. Now, let's narrow down your niche. Ask yourself, who is your ideal client? Is it small businesses in need of professional logos? Is it influencers seeking captivating social media visuals? Or maybe it's corporate professionals who want impressive presentations. The more specific you can get with your niche, the better you can tailor your services and attract clients looking for exactly what you offer. Once you've identified your skills and niche, it's time to focus and hone your expertise in that area. Invest time in sharpening your design skills through online courses, tutorials, or practice projects. The more you learn and refine your craft, the more confident you'll become in marketing yourself and delivering exceptional results to clients. Remember, your skills and niche are the foundation of your online business. So take the time to choose wisely, and don't be afraid to experiment and evolve along the way. Finding the right fit might take some trial and error, but once you hit that sweet spot, you'll be well on your way to building a successful freelancing career. Step 2. Set up your Fiverr profile. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to set up your Fiverr profile. Sign up on Fiverr if you haven't already and create a profile that showcases your skills, experience, and the services you'll be offering. Be sure to create a compelling profile description and include examples of your previous work or a portfolio to demonstrate your expertise. Step 3. Creating your gigs. Now that your profile is ready, it's time to create your gigs. Gigs are the services you offer on Fiverr. In this case, we'll focus on offering Canva design services. Think about what specific Canva-related services you can provide. It could be designing social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, or even ebook covers. Be creative and tailor your gigs to meet the needs of potential clients. When creating your gigs, ensure your gig titles and descriptions are clear and compelling. Highlight the benefits clients will receive by choosing your services. Remember to also set competitive pricing based on the complexity and value of your work. Step 4. Optimize your gigs and stand out. Now that your gigs are live, it's time to optimize them and stand out from the competition. Fiverr has a search algorithm, and you want your gigs to appear at the top of relevant search results. Here are a few tips to help you achieve that. Use relevant keywords in your gig titles and descriptions. Provide high-quality images and samples of your work. Offer additional services or packages to give clients more options. Provide excellent customer service and respond promptly to inquiries. The first tip is to use relevant keywords in your gig titles and descriptions. Think about the terms potential clients would search for when looking for services like yours. For example, if you specialize in logo design, include keywords like professional logo design or custom logo creation in your gig title and description. This helps Fiverr's search algorithm match your gigs with relevant search queries. Next, visuals play a crucial role in capturing clients' attention. Make sure to provide high-quality images and samples of your work. Showcasing your previous projects or designs gives potential clients a glimpse of your skills and style. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, so make it count. Another way to stand out is by offering additional services or packages. Clients love having options, so consider providing different tiers of services at varying price points. For example, if you offer social media graphic design, you can have a basic package that includes a set number of designs and a premium package with additional perks or faster delivery. This flexibility can attract clients with different needs and budgets. Excellent customer service is vital in any business, including freelancing. Aim to provide exceptional service and respond promptly to inquiries from potential clients. Show them that you're professional, reliable, and genuinely care about their needs. By going the extra mile and delivering a positive customer experience, you'll build trust and increase your chances of getting hired. As you optimize your gigs, don't forget to periodically review and update them. Stay up to date with current design trends and techniques, and reflect these updates in your gig descriptions and samples. By demonstrating that you're aware of the latest trends and offering fresh, relevant services, you position yourself as a knowledgeable and skilled designer. Remember, the online marketplace is competitive, but by implementing these optimization techniques, you'll increase your visibility and attract more clients. So, take some time to fine-tune your gigs and make them shine. Step 5. Market your services. Creating great gigs is just the first step. To attract clients, you need to market your services effectively. Here are a few strategies you can use. Promote your gigs on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Create engaging videos showcasing your design skills and share them on YouTube or other video platforms. Reach out to potential clients directly through cold emailing or networking events. Offer special promotions or discounts to attract new clients and encourage repeat business. Request client reviews and testimonials to build credibility and trust. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process. Stay consistent and explore different strategies to reach a wider audience and increase your chances of getting hired. Step 6. Provide excellent service. Once you start receiving orders, it's crucial to provide excellent service to your clients. Here are a few tips to ensure client satisfaction. Communicate clearly and promptly with clients to understand their requirements. Deliver high-quality work within the agreed-upon timeframe. Be open to revisions and incorporate client feedback to improve your designs. Maintain professionalism and always strive to exceed client expectations. By consistently providing exceptional service, you'll not only satisfy your clients but also increase your chances of receiving positive reviews and referrals. Step 7. Scale your business. As you gain experience and build your reputation on Fiverr, it's time to think about scaling your business. Here are a few ways you can expand your online income. Increase your gig offerings to cater to a broader range of clients. Hire additional designers or collaborate with other freelancers to handle more orders. Create your own website or portfolio to showcase your work and attract clients outside of Fiverr. Develop additional skills or offer related services to diversify your income streams. Scaling your business requires strategic planning and continuous improvement. Keep adapting to market trends and stay updated with the latest design techniques to stay ahead of the competition. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to make money online with Canva on Fiverr. Remember, success in freelancing takes time and effort. But with the right skills, dedication, and leveraging these powerful platforms, you can create a thriving online business. Now check out the links in the description box to start your journey with Canva on Fiverr. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tips on personal finance, investing, and business. Also, don't forget to leave any questions or comments you have down below.